Have you ever spent hours hunting for the perfect track for your video only to find nothing fits? Or worse, you finally find a beat, upload it, and instantly get hit with a copyright strike? Yeah, it's the worst. That's why I'm switching tabs to Musicful. This isn't just a toy, it's an AI music generator that's aiming to replace the studio. And today, I'm gonna show you, step by step, how to create studio-quality tracks, clone styles, and even export MIDI files. I'm logged into the web dashboard right now, but they also have the Musicful app for mobile, which packs a punch and basically puts this entire studio in your pocket. This is AI with TechSnap, so let's jump in. We're starting right here in the AI Music tab. This is where you can build full songs from scratch. First, let's make a lo-fi hip-hop instrumental. I'm going to toggle the instrumental switch right here. Now we just need to describe the vibe. In the style box, I'm typing chill lo-fi hip-hop, rainy day, study beats, slow tempo. Next, we select the music model for our generation. For this one, I'm choosing the new V2.0 model, which promises immersive, professional-level sound and intelligent genre mixing. We're all set now, so let's hit create. Just like in Suno, we're presented with two versions. Let's listen to this one. That is perfect. Musicful AI has nailed the request, and now we've got a chill lo-fi study beat ready to drop under a video, stream, or focus playlist. Okay, let's try another one. This time, a full track with vocals. I'm turning instrumental off. Now the lyrics tab appears. I'm not a songwriter, so I'm gonna click Write Lyrics for me. I want a high-energy track about a gamer winning a tournament, so I'll type this into the theme box. Victory at an esports tournament, adrenaline winning the final match. Boom. Done. We now have full song lyrics, structured with verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and even a bridge. That's amazing. Now for the style box, I'm typing upbeat pop, and I'm selecting male vocals. The song is automatically titled Pixelated Crown, which fits the vibe perfectly, so we'll keep it and hit create. And here we are. The song has finished generating. Let's hit play.
Screen glow bright, my eyes on fire, heartbeat drum, a rising choir. Every click a perfect strike, shadows dance in the neon light. One shot left, the universe. Hold my breath, feel the curve. Victory, oh victory, shout it loud for all to see. Pixelated crown for me, yeah, for me. Whoa.
Okay, that is actually catchy. The vocals sound authentic, just like the V2.0 model promised. And just like that, we've turned a simple idea into AI-generated vocals with a full band backing track. Quick tip before we move on. I really like this singer's voice. Usually AI generation is random, but Musicful lets you save this sound. I'm clicking the three dots on this song and selecting Create Vibe. I'll name it Pop Gamer Voice. Now, whenever I create a new song, I can select this saved vibe, and the AI will try to keep a similar voice and overall style. That means your tracks can almost sound like they're coming from the same artist or band. Perfect for a series or a channel soundtrack. As you can see, there are two more ways to create a song: description and audio. The description section is as simple as it gets. Just type the idea in your head and press create. The audio tab is where it gets really fun. This lets you generate songs by reference. It's great if you have a musical idea, but don't know how to describe it with text. You can upload an audio file as a reference, but what if you don't have one? No problem. You can just click record and hum a tune straight into your microphone as your reference. Yes, it is that easy. Now let's talk about a big pro feature. On any generated song, click the three dots and select Get Stems. Here we get two options: vocals and instrumental stems, or multitrack stems. I'm choosing multitrack stems, which extracts up to 12 individual stems, and here we go. Our song has been broken down into multiple separate stems on a timeline. We've got vocals, drums, bass, synths, and more. Let's solo the drum stem and listen. That's great. You can download any stem individually or everything at once in either MP3 or high-quality WAV. For producers and mixers, this is super powerful because you're not stuck with a single flat file. If you ever get writer's block, head over to the Explore tab. This is the community feed with tons of songs published by other creators. You can pick any track you like, click the three dots, and select Reuse. This copies the style of that song automatically, so you can write your own lyrics, tweak the prompts, and generate a new song with a similar vibe to the one that inspired you. It's a massive time saver compared to guessing prompts from scratch. Now let's get our files out of Musicful. I'm going to the library where all of your created songs have a download button right next to them. Most tools just give you an MP3. Here, I'm clicking download on that pop track we made. And we can export MP3 audio, high-quality WAV, or even MIDI in professional format. MIDI gives you the actual musical notes. I can drag that into Logic Pro or Ableton, swap the AI drums for my own kit, change the synths, reharmonize sections, total control over the song. Everything we've done so far has been in the web browser. But like I said earlier, they also have a very powerful mobile app. I'm grabbing my phone and opening the Musicful app. You can see it has synced my account perfectly. That Pop Gamer voice song we created is right here in my mobile library. The app interface is sleek. On the Create page, you've got your Style box, Lyrics box, and all the same tabs, so I can generate lyrics on the bus, or, my favorite, walk down the street, hit record, hum a melody, and have a finished track by the time I get home. It's available on your mobile device right now, and creating AI music has honestly never been easier. And with the Standard and Pro packages, you unlock all premium features in Musicful, plus a built-in commercial license for everything you create. That means you can safely use your tracks across YouTube, social media, client projects, and more, without worrying about copyright claims or takedowns. Whether you're editing on the web or creating on the Musicful app, the workflow is seamless. And once you make something you're proud of, don't just leave it in your library. Publish your song on the hub and share it with your audience. You can try all of this out right now. I've dropped the link in the description. Click it, make some noise, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.